Ha, this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing, and I have another pair of sneaker for you guys. This time we are from Adidas, but it's not any Adidas. This is from Simpsons, the Simpsons version of Adidas sneaker. It's a beautiful looking pink or purple color of box, lovely. Here and their design you see all over the places. Here lovely behind, you can see how it is, lovely. This is original from Adidas, Forum 84 low, US 8, UK 7.5. This is for female, for girls. Pink, brown, rose, maroon. Original lace is written, made in Vietnam. Okay, obviously Adidas Germany here. And behind 20s television from 20th Century Fox. Matt Groening, I think, is the designer of this one, the Simpsons. Okay, lovely Fox version, you can say. So let me unbox this one from Wow. I'm checking. Should be as a drawer. Here we go. I'm taking this off. Lovely, totally different way of unboxing. Wow, beautiful this sneaker, multicolor. Okay, I think it will not come out all the way till this much. Taking out this sneaker, wow, the beautiful multicolor. If you like different something as Simpsons, you can try this on, guys. Here, see how beautiful pink lace we have here in different color. You can see green, orange, purple and blue. Here also maroon, something as this dark color, something as golden gold. The sole quite good, it's Adidas, so authentic Adidas sole. This high quality, not plastic, rubberized with the plastic material, dual material. Adidas logo, very detailed texture. Behind you see logo of a cat. Okay, lovely beautiful design of the sneaker, this one, beautiful. Let's take that out. Another pair. Texture beautiful, and here you go, you see Adidas is written inside. There is nothing, normally they have something. And we have a pair of lace as well with this one, Adidas written, beautiful guys, lovely yellow color. If you want to change, because here you have something as a more brown yellow color, you can try this on. Beautiful sneaker. Let's go more detail. Here is the stitching. You can see how detailed this is stitching, how beautiful finishing. Double sole with two different type of material, because this side, this part of sole gets more dirty, so it's a good idea to putting in different color. Looks also elegant how it's stitching, the texture more close. You can see how beautiful is a pure leather, if I'm not wrong, mixed with cotton material. Adidas logo, something as a velvet here, khaki or brown color. Here you can say that. Laces here. If you want, you can put here as well your lace, or leave as this as a design. Wow, beautiful. At the bottom you can see also written Adidas. See how is the sole. Texture of the sole is very high tech in this case, very comfortable. I think you would have a good grip, so you run over the mountain. Especially is not for running, it's for fashion more. But you see how detailed the sole is. Adidas, Adidas all over is written. So this is original. If you have a duplicate or counterfeit, you will not have all these details. So check this one to identify if you have the original one or not. These have bought from the website of Adidas Spain, so this is authentic genuine product, guys. This side you can see as well. Here you see this texture, this detailed texture, beautiful guys, lovely logo here, Adidas. Wow. Inside some paper, so I take this out and we can see more things is written. Yeah, Matt Groening. Also you can see more designing things inside, something as a saucer design here, the number, other information is written. So very lovely pair of sneaker for you guys. So I have many videos of this type of product from Adidas, from Nike, from Timberland, from Panama Jack, or many other famous brands of shoes or sneaker. Okay guys, if you want check those, check the video description. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.